Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone supports gesture unlock and why that matters. Hardware sensors and OS hooks must match. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Security or Accessibility to enable gesture unlock. This registers sensors and stores a fallback. Make sure to plug in or have over 20% battery so the calibration completes without interruption. You should also set a secure backup PIN or pattern now so you can access the phone if the gesture misreads. You now record the gesture itself, and here's how and why. Pick a single, consistent motion that your sensors can reliably detect, such as a short swipe plus twist. Record it 3 to 5 times so the system can average the inputs and build a tolerant recognition model. During recording, move at normal speed. Too fast or slow creates mismatch. Afterward, adjust sensitivity and timeout so legitimate attempts pass while false positives stay blocked. You finish by thoroughly testing the gesture across typical use cases to ensure reliability. Try different grips, pocket angles, and lighting. If the gesture fails frequently, re-record it with slower, consistent motions and make small sensitivity reductions so the recognizer is less strict. Recalibrate if your phone offers that option. Make sure your backup PIN or pattern remains active until you're confident. If all else fails, reset gesture data and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.